Today we're going to install a set of roof rack crossbars for the 2014-2023 Jeep Cherokee. All model years from 2014 to 2023 are compatible, as you can see. This vehicle has a raised roof rail, so the crossbars use a clamp design. Okay, let's take the product out first. Here's the instruction manual with the keys, tools, and spare screws. This is the lock location. 4 base feet. Tools, keys, and spares. 2 aluminum crossbars. There is a right label here. This is the left label. This is the longer labeled aluminum crossbar, the front bar. Follow the arrow for installation direction. The shorter one is the rear bar. Remove these screws. Install the 4 base feet onto the 2 aluminum crossbars. Do not fully tighten the screws, just pre-tighten them. Make sure the base feet still have some room to move. Now take out the keys and remove the lock cores. We will install them at the end. We'll install the front bar first. Follow the label instructions and pay attention to the installation direction. Before installing, loosen this screw. This is a clamp-on design. Place it in this position. Okay. Okay. Make sure the rubber pad fits perfectly against the vehicle's roof rail. Okay. It's very secure.